Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone. We're here at the YouTube Space LA. This video is brought to you by Fair and Up. I'm here with the talented and amazing Jasmine of Get Caked, and today we're going to draw
Princess Leia.
Yes, Princess Leia. So let's get to it. Let's make some Princess Leia pancake. That doesn't roll off the tongue as easily.
It's different, yeah. Princess Leia pancake art.
Yes, exactly. It even looks artistic in this state.
Just like on the back side.
The back side even looks amazing.
Thank you. She's starting to cook now. I'm gonna go ahead and get her edges up like we always
Get your edge up.
Get your edges, girl. So she's cooking a little quicker at the top, and that's okay. And again, whenever your pancake is cooking quicker in one spot than it is the other, all you want to do is make sure to lift it up a little bit and get some air underneath it just so it doesn't burn. And it looks like she's sliding.
She's moving.
All right, you ready?
Yeah,
Give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1. Oh, that looks so good.
That's a Princess
Princess
Leia
Leia
pancake.
with the buns.
Yes, buns out of this world.
Nice, nice. Well done, well done.
Thank you. She's a cool cake.
Yeah, she is.
So we just drew Princess Leia as pancake art. Can you believe that this is the prettiest pancake you've ever seen?
And shout out to Carrie Fisher, right?
Okay, shout out to Carrie Fisher, girl. We love
But,
you.
but yes, it's an amazing, amazing pancake. You did a great job.
Thank you, thank you. And again, I gotta know, what flavor is Princess Leia as a
Princess
pancake?
Leia.
Tell me.
You know, I feel like it's like a vanilla bean type thing in the Princess Leia world because there's like a sort of purity to that, right?
And give me another layer on top of that. Give me
Another-
another flavor. Give me the depth.
But you know what? I mean, I almost want to do like a boozy version, like a bourbon vanilla bean. Because
sounds
let's
tasty.
admit it, we all know Carrie Fisher, like she had her things, right? She had
Okay.
her, so, you know.
She sounds tasty if you ask
Right?
me.
She does sound tasty.
Yes, she does.
Sorry. But yes, she does sound tasty. That's what I would do. I would do a bourbon and vanilla bean.
That sounds spot on.
We want to know what you would do though. So if you make a Princess Leia cake, let us know what your flavor is. Hit us up on Twitter at Jerry James Stone or at GetCakedLA. Also, share the photos if you do it too.
You can get a kit at fairandup.us or click the link in the notes. And we're actually selling our kits with the bottles, colors, and some really cool videos so you guys can make pancake art like a pro at home.
And we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys.